Assalamu alaikum. It's Dean Cambridge School System. I'm Yashfa in charge of class PG. I hope all of you will be tip top. Now students, we are going to start our study. It's our math book of class PG. Now we start the page number 3. Today we learn 7. This is 7. 7 apples. 7 apples. 7 pencil colors. 7 pencil colors. 7 owls. 7 owls. So let's we do practice how to write 7. Join the dots. This is 7. This is 7. Today we have learned 7 and you learn it and also do practice to write it. So Allah Hafiz.